Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Make.com workflows to sync orders and notifications, full guide step by step clearly. To install Make.com workflows for syncing orders and notifications, begin by logging into your Make.com account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create a New Scenario button. In the Scenario Creation window, search for the application that you want to integrate, such as your e-commerce platform. Select the appropriate application from the list of available apps. After selecting the application, look for the trigger that corresponds to new orders or notifications. Configure the trigger settings according to your requirements. After setting up the trigger, click on the Add Another Module button. Search for the application where you wish to send the data, such as your CRM or notification tool. Select the appropriate action for that application. Map the required fields from the first application to the corresponding fields in the second application. Once all fields are mapped, it's time to test the scenario. Click on the Run Once button to initiate the test. Check the output to ensure that the data is being transferred correctly. If everything works as expected, click on the Toggle button to enable the workflow. Provide your workflow with a descriptive name to keep your dashboard organized. Optionally, set up a schedule for how often the workflow should run. After finalizing all settings, click Save to secure your workflow. Now your Make.com workflow is installed and ready to sync orders and notifications seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.